Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the markets in the S&P 500, just wrapping up a cryptocurrency oversold bounce trade on an all-out dump. So, Bitcoin bulls in complete control. No, SPY bulls in complete control. Daily bull flag confirmed. Our new line in the sand level is 335.21. If 335.21 is support, then the S&P 500 bulls have complete control. That's my line in the sand level for the short term. Thanks to Chart Gal Lori on the Chart Guys team for pointing out the QQQ, or I should say the tech holdings in SPY have grown. They're now at 28%. And that means the financial sector and the healthcare, number 2 and number 3, combined are the same weight as the tech sector. So pretty much this market is now comprised of Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Apple, Netflix, Facebook. They are running the show in a big way. So they are the most important tickers in the most important sector. IWM, daily higher low is now established at 166.43 as our benchmark level. Bull break of 168.95. And we're looking back up at 170.56 as our recent high. And we'll see how long the bulls can keep the daily uptrend. When we lose the daily uptrend, it'll be a weekly lower high. So that is still a possible scenario if we lose the daily uptrend without breaking 170.56. QQQ leading the way, raging bull sector, most important sector, no line in the sand level. I need a line in the sand level soon because I'm going by 228.38 and even that is just sideways. Sideways, sideways. I want a clear pullback with a clear pivot point as a clear level, and we don't have that on QQQ right now. XLF lost the daily uptrend, now it's bouncing. So when the daily uptrend is lost, I want to then see, are we going to confirm the downtrend, which would be a lower high and lower low? If not, then the bears prove no follow through. So we have to see a lower high compared to the all-time high of 31.38 and then drop down and break 30.72. But again, just as an example, if XLF goes down 0.5% and XLV goes down 0.5% and QQQ and the tech sector is up 0.5%, the S&P 500 is break even. So you can have pretty much twice as many companies down the same amount. As long as those important few are up, it's going to hold the market up. XLV, daily higher low is now set at 103.22. We're watching the possible scenario of a head and shoulders pattern here. If we were to fail to break 104.84 resistance and then drop down and break 103.22, it would be a 4-hour head and shoulders pattern. So keeping an eye on that, but burden of proof remains on the bears. If that does follow through, it's our weekly lower high being set, similar to what we're watching on IWM for the potential of a weekly lower high. XBI bull break, daily higher low 95.99, clearly established. Resistance 98.79 is a bit of a double top. That's the highest price we've seen in a very long time. 170 would come after that level, but still resistance at this point. Daily uptrend very clear. Semiconductors, also a double top at its all-time high. NVDA ripping to all-time highs today. Line in the sand, new daily higher low, 147.11 as our guide. And the VIX, not doing a whole lot. Still watching for a weekly higher low to form compared to 1180, but no sign of it yet on the daily time frame. We need to hold 1340 and break 1550 to shift the short-term time frame. Gold, I'll say it again. If you took me back a month in time to erase the knowledge that gold is holding up regardless of the dollar in the market, and you showed me the dollar chart and you showed me the S&P 500 chart, I would say gold is probably in monthly consolidation right now and probably a solid 5 to 10% off of its recent high. And you show me gold right now and I say, wow, that is an ideal scenario. Any weakness in the dollar or in the market can only help gold, which just hit a multiple year high today. I am loving my gold position right now. And my stop is going to be based on the weekly uptrend. What's my target? I have no target. If you keep a weekly uptrend, I'll hold it for 30 years. I don't expect that to happen, but the weekly uptrend, I'm just moving stops up. And the next resistance is 1526. Make that 1626. Still could be a double top. We definitely want more follow through than what we currently have. But bull miners closing strong, looking for some potential further upside. All about 35.49. Again, the 3-day time frame, tightening range. If we break 35.49, 36.84, the volume is favoring the bulls. And with the close, that's the miner bulls hoping that the metals are going to continue strong overnight. 4-hour uptrend on gold, higher low, 1602s. Silver gaining ground on gold still. 15, make that 1886 is the next resistance. But the XAU XAG chart has broken support, which means silver has gained on gold for 5 days in a row now. So we zoom out. We are going to look for a weekly higher low on this chart, but it is silver bulls' time to shine over the last few days. So miners, hourly higher low on NUGT to try and keep the bulls in full control is 33.97. Oil, nice recovery, long lower wick yesterday, bull break today. Weekly bear flag decreases in odds with that new high. 4-hour time frame extended. We had a very brief pullback and then continuation move. So 52.47 is our short-term support, but a very nice recovery. Now we zoom out and we look for our weekly lower high to be set, but we're not going to be confident in that until we lose the daily uptrend. And anything above 50.91 is a daily higher low. Inventory reports on both oil and natural gas tomorrow due to the holiday this past Monday. Natural gas, bulls still in control, 4-hour uptrend, higher low of 1951. Did get a bull break here, but no meaningful follow through just yet. When we lose the 4-hour uptrend, we zoom out and we look for a daily higher low compared to 180. And the weekly bounce is underway as well. Anything under 225 is a weekly lower high. So that's where we stand in the market as a whole. Tesla, beautiful gap up open, but some profit taking today. SPCE is a monster. The fact that we are at all-time highs after hours on SPCE after that clear climax candle yesterday is astounding. I don't know if I've ever seen anything quite like that. We're looking up towards $40 here with just a complete recovery. It was the end of the day that did it. Look at this dump. End of the day dump. 6% drop in 15 minutes. Huge bull volume. Astounding. Still going. We'll see if we get a gap up to all-time highs tomorrow morning. It's just exemplifying euphoria in this market. Everybody's confident in this market because the bulls keep buying dips and they keep hitting all-time highs, which is giving the scenario where people are throwing their money around. Tesla, SPCE, bunch of recent IPOs, SQ, all these names that are flying. It's because money is growing on trees in the market at the moment. Won't always be the case. Don't get lulled into a sense of complacency with bulls buying every dip. There will be people out there that are so used to bulls buying every dip that one time the bulls don't buy the dip, they are going to hurt their account significantly. So don't establish bad habits in significantly bullish markets because they don't last forever. Have a good day. Do good things. See you soon.